Hello guys, review ZTE Blade V50 Vita. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory. Start unpacking. In complementation we have protected back cover, device in the blue color, and this we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Power button and warm buttons with power button with fingerprint scanner. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Display we have 6.75 inch, full HD resolution, 90 Hz. Open settings. About phone we have my OS version 13 and Android version 13. Single core score and multi-core score. GPU test results. AnTuTu benchmark results. Okay, close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.